Good morning. Today I'm gonna do the cured salmon and I'm gonna show you the ingredients we need to do it. To make our cured salmon, we need lemon zest, sugar, salt, red pepper, black pepper, vodka, and obviously our salmon. For the procedure, we will need a curing table, a knife, a rice pan with water, the zipper bags, and a white ball just in case. Okay, our first step is removing the skin from the salmon. So in this case, I have three parts, and we're going to start removing the skin of the salmon. Once our salmon is without the skin, we are going to prepare our mixture with the rest of the ingredients. So we have the salt, sugar, red pepper, black pepper, lemon zest, and the vodka. I think we should pour first the salt, the sugar, the black pepper, the red pepper, and the lemon zest. We are going to mix it. And finally, we are going to add the vodka. And we are going to mix it again. We have to incorporate very well all the ingredients. And now we're going to put it on top of our salmon. We have to put it very well. In both sides. So up and down. Okay, once we have covered with the mixture of salmon, we are going to seal it with the vacuum procedure. So for this step, we need, in my case, I have three pieces. I want to put one each bag because they are small. So we take the salmon and put it on the bag. What we are going to do is to put it here under the water. Why to do this? Because we need to take out all the air from the bag. So we have to be careful to avoid the bag gets water inside. So we can start zippering the bag, just leaving a little hole to take out the rest of the air. As you see, it doesn't contain any air. And we are gonna do the same with the other two pieces of salmon. In this case, we do this vacuum seal for all our ingredients getting pregnant in the salmon, and then get a better flavor. Okay, now we have our 3 bags without any air, and they are very well sealed. So now it's time to put our bags in the fridge for 12 hours, and then we are going to do the next procedure. Okay, now our 12 hours has transcured, and here we have our 2 pieces of salmon. Now our next step is to wash them. We're going to open and we're going to wash our pieces of salmon. We have to remove all the salt and the pepper from the salmon. It has to be clean. We're going to do the same with the other 2 pieces. We have to remove as much as possible all the mixture we got in the first steps. So we have to remove the salt, the sugar, the pepper. Now that our salmon are well washed, we are going to dry them. And we are going to repeat the procedure of vacuum seal, but in this time is just the dry salmon. It doesn't contain any seasoning or species. And finally, we are going to store it again in the fridge while we prepare our grill for smoking. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now it's time to smoke our salmon. We have prepared a little bit grill with some charcoal. The grill is covered with some oil for our salmon don't stick on it. Okay, as we have a very low fire, we are going to wait about 20-25 minutes for each piece of salmon until it get cooked. So during this period of time, we are going to be checking the process of cooking. Okay, our period of time has transcurred and we are going to check our salmon. During this time, we were checking the cooking and we were turning up and down the meat. So now we are going to open it, the final open, and we check our salmon. That's a little burn by the charcoal. And just we add some sheets of apple, and this is our final result or cured salmon and smoking.